still on that?
Yeah. That's Pendleton Bridge in the distance.
Yeah.
Fishermen out on the lake. Ah, I see he caught one. I'm gonna put you out there tomorrow.
Well, now, say if I'd have known this, I'd have brought my pole. I'd have brought my pole.
Well,
I'd have been down here casting,
oh,
plugging, bassing.
that's why I told you not to bring it. I didn't want you to get ahead of me.
Yeah.
I don't know. These cameras will do.
Yep. It sure is.
Some point, put a deep drop. Last Thursday I spent half a day building brush pile, and I hadn't been back to where what I built.
Oh, I hope the pressure's on.
Yep.
You got that right. Pressure's on y'all now, it ain't on me no more.
Yeah.
I tell you what, I couldn't do this without
These gadgets.
these gadgets. That's right. Ooh, there's some fish right there.
Oh. Pick one out.
Ooh. Coming, I'm missing. Hallelujah.
That's a neat way to do it.
What kind you fishing for today?
Crappie.
Crappie. And I'm fishing
Gotta
for
tease
I'm
you
fishing
about
for
that.
sac-a-lait, and the man up front is fishing for
White
perch.
perch.
So we're working hard. All right, we're rolling.
One down, 49 to go. He's got
All right.
one.
Good.
He got-
Show me what you got in your box.
I don't know if you can. Can you see it?
Yeah. Oh, drop them in there. Oh! This is the one I've been putting mine in. Yeah.
Walter Conley Truex put these fish in this box.
box.
Yeah. But the thing about it is, don't be cheap. Okay? And by that I mean,
Don't take a bone.
don't take a bone. So, you know, usually what you do is you lay it in there like so.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? That way you know you're good. Okay?
Yeah.
And you can go like this and then come back
Oh, I see.
and do that.
Okay, now I've done that. I've just usually gone around it.
Okay, you end up with, and you can throw that.
How many you counted, Butch?
58 large lunker saccalay.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Oh, they're gorgeous. Can you imagine what they're gonna smell like in the frying pan?
Great.
If you want to scrape some, then I got a spoon in there. We scrape some little ones if you.
Let the cats have it?
Yes, sir. I believe in feeding the animals.
Where do you put the ones in the cooler over there? Or?
Well, no, just look. You get the right fillet knife. They're a lot easier to fillet with a thin blade knife. It's got high RPM. Look at like a General Electric.
All right.
And there's a few other brands that are good too. But there's a bunch of brands out there.
Yeah, isn't that a nice one?
Isn't that a good one? I think Don caught this one.
I believe so, yeah.
I think he did.
All right, great.
Gone to a lot of creeks.
There's a fish Don caught.
Man, was he lucky?
Was he lucky or what?
Yeah, that's for sure.
That's the way they carve, already clean.
No.
You ought to have a nice meal off of these.
Oh,
Yeah.
3 or 4.
you
Yeah,
know.
that's what I was going to say because wife and I, it's just two of us. So.
Split it up the way I've always been told. 2 for me and 1 for him.
Yeah. That's a good deal. Well, let's put it in that other one.
Full. Oh.
Crazy what I did today.
How about that?
All right, come put them in the box here.
This is the White Pearl to Egan, Louisiana.
One way.
One-way trip. So they did catch fish.
Oh, it paid off.
They
And
did
had
that.
a good time.
Right.
And look, I got some bag of ice in my